I'm gonna start with custom viewports for your drawing, either drawing making, circulation, etc. These are your regular viewports, and these are my custom viewports that I've created over time. I'll show you a few that I've created. This one's really nice for drawing. I can show you how to create this one and or this one. So you want to go to options, and then you'll see this. You'll see view. You can drop down the menu. Then you'll see display modes, and you can create a copy from that. So you want to start with either shader or ghosted. Those are the best ones that I've already set up. Are already set up by RHINO default. Once you create a copy, it'll say copy of ghosted. Tutorial. And I will hit OK. I want to change it to that right now because I want to see what I'm doing as I'm changing options. That's the nice thing about this, is that you can see the applied changes over time. So I will go to the tutorial drawing 2, and first thing I'm going to change is background. Solid color. I don't want the gray anymore. I will pick white. And the second thing, most important thing, is object color. So right now it's gonna choose whatever you give it here, which you can give it whatever color here in your layers menu. But sometimes I like keeping everything very simple and doing a single color for all objects. And then you can switch it to whatever you want. I'm going to do this color. I can also set up transparency. Let's do 70. And gloss is just the gloss that you see here, so you can do 0, you can do 10, you can do whatever you like. The next thing is those ISO curves that you see. You want to turn them off, so that way you have a cleaner drawing. Tangent edges as well. So now you have just edges, the most important things. Or even tangent seams. If you have some of these, make sure you test those out. Same with mesh wires, everything else. So clipping plane you want to keep on. Another thing you can customize is lighting. So I can make it lighter, or yeah. So this is the difference between darker and lighter. There's more custom settings which I will create a different video for, but I'm going to do a lighter setting for now. Then I'm gonna go to objects, drop down menu, and surfaces. You want to set it to the lowest edge setting, which is 1. 0, it doesn't do decimals. 0 will eliminate all lines. So you want to do 1. Anything larger than 1, it gets really large. So this is 5, for example. And as you can't do decimals, this is it for resolution. You can do object color, or you can do single color for all edges, the same way as you did with the blue. I'm going to do orange. And next thing you want to do is curves. So curves is for anything that's drawn, like a line, a dupe edge, anything that like that's on your model. I'm gonna do single color for all curves as well. You don't have to, you can set it up per layer. It's just, this is for a nicer drawing, that a nicer quick drawing that you don't have to set up later. You can just click and do a quick draft. I'm gonna do magenta just to show you. I'm gonna set up lastly clipping plane. So the plane color, you want to do whatever color you want. I'm gonna make this this green, and I'm gonna leave it 3 so that way you can see the really thick border. And then Plain color, it doesn't matter because you're not going to be showing plain unless you have to or want to. So that's it for that. I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to do dupe edge. Let's put it here. And let's say I want to do all these. So dupe edge, for some reason, like some kind of representation. Here you can see the magenta. You can make it thicker or thinner. You can make it gray, whatever you like, but it's just the color of the edge that you gave it. Turn on gumball. As you can see, once you remove it, it's orange. So then you can create some really nice drawings that are kind of offset line work, things like that. So just, you could try various things like this, which kind of creates like a really cool wireframe.